You have been carrying that little black fob around for years, tossing it in your pocket, tapping it against your bag, hitting the lock button without a second thought. But somewhere inside that plastic shell is a set of functions that most Hyundai owners never activate in the entire time they own the car. Some of these features can warm up your seats before you even open the door on a freezing morning. Others can save you from a dead battery disaster in a parking garage or quietly protect your car from thieves who are counting on you not knowing your own key. If you drive a Hyundai, this fob is not just a way to unlock the doors. It is a small computer that Hyundai engineers packed with conveniences and safety tricks. And most of them are buried in the owner's manual on a page nobody reads. You paid for these features when you bought the car. They have been sitting there unused, waiting for you to press the right button in the right order. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to unlock every one of these hidden functions, what they actually do for you in real driving situations, and the mistakes that cause owners to damage their key fob, drain its battery, or accidentally lock themselves out because they never understood how these systems truly work. We are going to go through 7 of these functions one at a time, starting with one that can change how your car feels on the coldest day of the year. Function 1. Remote Start and Climate Preset. Picture a January morning. The windshield is coated in a sheet of frost. The seats are cold enough to make you flinch, and you are standing at your front door in socks, dreading the walk to a car that feels like a refrigerator. Most Hyundai owners in this situation do the same thing every single day. They walk out early, sit in the cold, and let the engine run for 5 or 10 minutes while they shiver and scrape the windshield by hand. The problem is that almost nobody realizes their smart key can start the engine from inside the house. On models equipped with Remote Start, pressing the lock button twice quickly and then holding the Remote Start button activates the engine, the climate control, and in many trims, the heated seats and heated steering wheel, all before you ever open the door. The car begins warming itself while you are still finishing your coffee. Skipping this function has a real cost. Owners who scrape frost off a cold windshield by hand are far more likely to leave faint scratches in the glass over time, and repeated cold starts without a warm-up cycle put extra strain on the engine and the cabin heater core, since the system has to work harder to bring a fully frozen cabin up to temperature in a rush. There is also the simple daily toll of stepping into a freezing seat, which is not a small thing when you are doing it every morning for 4 months of the year. The fix takes 10 seconds to learn. Stand outside the car, press the lock button on the fob twice within a couple of seconds. Then press and hold the Remote Start button until the parking lights flash and the engine turns over. From that point, the climate system takes over automatically, using whatever temperature setting you last had the car on. So if you like your cabin at 72 degrees, that is exactly what greets you when you finally sit down. But Remote Start has a limit that catches a lot of owners off guard, especially in extreme weather. And understanding that limit is what keeps this feature from becoming a problem instead of a convenience, which is exactly what we are getting into next. Function 2. Automatic window closure from outside the car. Here is a scenario almost every Hyundai owner has lived through at least once. You park the car, walk 15 feet toward the store entrance, and suddenly, that nagging thought hits you. Did I actually roll up the passenger window all the way? You cannot see it clearly from where you are standing, and now you are stuck choosing between walking all the way back to check or just hoping for the best and moving on with your day. The problem is that a window left even slightly cracked is an open invitation. It lets rain soak the seats during a sudden storm. It gives opportunistic thieves a way to slip a hand or tool inside, and depending on how humid the day is, it can leave your cabin smelling like mildew for weeks afterward if moisture sits in the carpet and never fully dries. The financial damage from a rain-soaked interior is not small either. Replacing a water-damaged seat cushion or dealing with mold remediation in carpet padding can run into hundreds of dollars. And if water finds its way into the wiring beneath the seats or under the dash, you are looking at an electrical repair bill that can climb into 4 figures depending on what gets shorted out. The fix is a function most owners never discover because it requires holding the button instead of tapping it. On many Hyundai Smart Keys, pressing and holding the lock button for a few seconds after the doors are already locked will automatically roll up any window that was left open, using the same one-touch motor system that powers the driver's door window switch. You do not need to walk back to the car. You do not need to guess. You simply hold the button until you hear the windows cycle closed, and the car handles the rest for you. This same one-touch motor system is also the secret behind a completely different trick, one that has nothing to do with windows and everything to do with what happens when your key fob's battery finally dies at the worst possible moment. Function 3. Emergency start with a dead key fob battery. Imagine standing in a grocery store parking lot at 9 at night, bags in hand, and pressing the start button only to get nothing but silence. No chime, no dashboard lights responding to the fob, nothing. The button cell battery inside your smart key has finally given out, and now you are standing there wondering if you need to call a tow truck just to get home. The problem is that most owners assume a dead fob battery means the car simply will not start, full stop. That assumption sends people into a panic, and it sends a surprising number of them straight to a dealership or locksmith for an emergency call-out that costs far more than the situation actually requires, especially on a weekend or late at night when emergency service rates are highest. The consequence of not knowing this trick is not just the money spent on an unnecessary tow or locksmith visit. It is also the wasted hour or two standing around waiting for help to arrive when the actual fix takes less time than it took you to read this sentence. Hyundai builds a backup system into nearly every smart key vehicle, specifically for this situation. The fob itself has a small mechanical key hidden inside it, usually released by sliding a button or small latch on the back of the fob. That mechanical key unlocks the driver's door by hand. Once inside, you hold the flat face of the smart key directly against the start button, usually with the emblem side touching the button, and press the brake while pressing start as normal. The car reads the chip inside the fob through direct contact instead of wireless signal, and the engine fires up exactly as it always does. It is not a hack. It is a factory-built failsafe that Hyundai engineers designed for this exact moment. Knowing this trick solves a dead battery emergency, but it is worth mentioning now so you remember it the next time you are standing in a cold parking lot with a silent key in your hand. And once your car actually starts, there is another set of hidden settings tied to that same key that most owners never realize is personalizing the entire ride for them automatically. Function 4. Personalized driver profiles linked to each key. If more than one person drives your Hyundai, whether that is a spouse, a teenager who just got their license, or a family member who borrows the car occasionally, you have probably experienced the annoyance of climbing in after someone else and finding your mirrors pointed at the ceiling, the seat pushed back for someone 6 inches taller, and the radio tuned to a station you would never choose for yourself. The usual response is to spend the first minute of every drive readjusting everything by hand, which seems minor until you realize it happens every single time the car changes hands. Over months and years, that adds up to real time lost. And it creates a quiet frustration that makes the car feel less like it belongs to you personally. What most owners never realize is that Hyundai Smart Keys are individually paired to driver profiles on many trims equipped with memory seats. Each physical key fob can be linked to its own saved seat position, mirror angle, and steering wheel position. So the moment that specific key is detected near the car, the seat motors and mirrors move automatically to match whoever is about to drive. Setting this up takes a few minutes inside the vehicle settings menu, usually found under user profiles or driver settings on the touchscreen, where you assign a profile to a specific key fob and save your preferred seat, mirror, and sometimes even climate settings to it. Once it is saved, you never have to touch the seat controls again. Walk up with your key, and the car quietly rearranges itself around you before you even sit down. This kind of personalization feels like a small luxury, but it points to something bigger about how much these keys are actually doing behind the scenes, including a security function that most owners think they understand but are actually using incorrectly. Function 5. The panic button's real purpose. Most people think of the panic button as an emergency tool for personal safety, something to press if you are being followed to your car in a dark parking lot, and that is true. But there is a second use for that same button that almost nobody thinks about until they desperately need it. The scenario plays out like this. You come out of a large shopping center or a stadium parking lot, and every row of cars looks identical. You press the unlock button, but you cannot tell from a distance whether the lights flashed on your car or 3 cars down. You wander the lot, pressing the button over and over, growing more frustrated by the second, sometimes for 5 or 10 minutes before you finally spot your own vehicle. That wasted time is not just an inconvenience. In bad weather, standing in a parking lot searching for your car in the rain or extreme heat is genuinely unpleasant. And in poorly lit areas at night, wandering around unsure of your surroundings is a real safety concern, not just an annoyance. The panic button solves this instantly. A firm press triggers the horn and hazard lights simultaneously. And unlike the lock button's brief flash, the panic alarm keeps sounding and flashing until you press it again or start the car. From across a massive lot, you can hear exactly where your car is within a few seconds. No wandering required. Pressing it a second time cancels the alarm just as fast as it started. Understanding the panic button as a locating tool rather than just an emergency device is useful on its own, but it also connects to a much bigger conversation about how your smart key protects the car when you are nowhere near it, which brings us to one of the most overlooked safety functions of all. Function 6. Walk-away autolock. Think about how many times you have loaded groceries into the trunk, closed it, and walked toward your front door only to wonder halfway there whether you actually locked the car behind you. Or picture dropping your kids off at school, hands full of backpacks and lunch bags with 0 free fingers to press a lock button even if you wanted to. The problem here is straightforward. A car that sits unlocked in a driveway or parking lot, even for a few minutes, is an easy target. Thieves do not need sophisticated tools to open an unlocked door, and unlocked vehicles are consistently the easiest and most common way for opportunistic theft to happen. Whether it is a stolen wallet left on the seat or the entire car being driven away because the keys were left inside. The financial and emotional cost of a break-in or theft from an unlocked vehicle can range from a minor annoyance of a stolen phone charger to a devastating loss if the car itself disappears, along with the hours spent dealing with police reports, insurance claims, and the lingering unease of knowing your space was violated. Certain Hyundai trims include a feature called Walk-Away Autolock, which uses the same proximity sensors that let you unlock the car by touching the door handle. Once this feature is enabled in the vehicle settings, the car detects when the smart key moves a set distance away, roughly 10 to 12 feet in most configurations, and automatically locks all doors on its own. No button press required. You can load your arms full of groceries, close the trunk with your hip, and walk away, knowing the car is locking itself behind you. It needs to be turned on manually in the settings menu since it is not always active by default, and once you enable it, you will likely never manually lock your car again. But there is one more function tied to the trunk specifically that deserves its own explanation, because it solves a problem almost every parent and every person who shops with a cart has run into. Before we get to the last hidden function, if you are finding these tricks useful, take a second to subscribe to the channel. We cover Hyundai every week, breaking down the features hiding inside your own car that the dealership never bothered to show you. Now, back to the smart key. Function 7. Hands-free trunk release. Picture yourself pushing a shopping cart full of bags across a parking lot, both hands gripping the cart, the key fob buried somewhere in your jacket pocket or purse. You reach the trunk, and now you are stuck trying to dig the fob out while balancing bags, or worse, setting bags on the wet pavement just to free up a hand to press the trunk release button. The problem is that most owners either never learned about the hands-free trunk feature or assume their car does not have it, when in reality, it has simply never been demonstrated to them. Without it, every single grocery run, every luggage loading trip to the airport, every bulky purchase from the hardware store turns into an awkward juggling act. Beyond the daily hassle, there is a real physical cost too. Setting heavy or fragile items down on wet or uneven pavement to free up a hand increases the chance of dropped groceries, cracked glass jars, or damaged electronics, not to mention the strain on your back from repeatedly bending down to pick things back up. The fix is built directly into the trunk itself on most Hyundai models, equipped with a smart liftgate. As long as the key fob is within a few feet of the vehicle, typically inside a pocket, bag, or purse, standing behind the trunk for roughly 3 seconds triggers a sensor that automatically opens the trunk on its own, often accompanied by a small beep sequence that counts down before it pops open. No reaching, no digging through a bag, no setting anything down. This feature alone turns one of the most physically awkward parts of daily driving into something completely effortless. And combined with the 6 functions before it, it should be clear by now that the key in your pocket is doing far more work than you ever gave it credit for. The bottom line: every one of these functions was sitting inside your Hyundai key fob the entire time you owned the car, waiting for you to discover them. Remote start that warms the cabin before you step outside. A window closure trick that protects your interior from rain damage. An emergency start method that turns a dead battery panic into a 30-second fix. Personalized driver profiles that adjust the entire cabin the moment you approach. A panic button that doubles as a parking lot locator. Walk-away locking that protects the car without a single button press. And a hands-free trunk that saves your back and your groceries in one motion. None of these require a dealership visit, an aftermarket accessory, or any technical skill beyond reading your owner's manual for 5 minutes. They were built in from the factory, covered under the price you already paid, and left unused simply because nobody took the time to walk you through them. Now that you know where to look, there is no reason to keep leaving these features on the table. Try one of them the next time you walk out to your car, and you will probably wonder why you waited this long to use it.